This one, everything is on you.
All right.
Can echo even numbers.
So the hint is that it's kind of similar to the previous one.
So should we return a list of the even numbers? So if you pass in a range, we just filter out the even numbers and return them as a list. Okay.
We create a new endpoint for it.
Yeah. I guess it's very similar to this one.
We get post.
We will, yeah, I guess it's gonna have to be a post if we wanna have a body and pass it in.
Yeah.
The data. So maybe like numbers, filter events or something.
Yeah.
Cool. I guess we can copy pretty much but maybe we should start with the maybe we should start with returning an empty so we can write the test first.
Yeah.
But we will be returning a flux, right?
Yeah, I guess.
So, of integer or
long, or
I guess integer, if we get the list of integers, we can just return a list of integers. No. Filter events, filter even numbers. Nice.
right.
Maybe we can pretty much copy the test above and then fix.
Yeah, it's a good idea. So what do we need to change?
Yes, most of it will be the same all the way down to expect body. Because there we're gonna get the flux integer back. Is that possible? It's probably not gonna like. Maybe it's just a flux.
The flux class.
I think
All right.
the part that is expect body, you can see if you can change that, use something else. Instead of expect body, it might be something else. Let's see.
Okay.
Expect body list. Yeah. And that's available only with web test client, of course.
Okay, and is that then a list of integer?
Exactly. Yeah.
So integer.class there then.
So now you have a list in your value, I think.
So maybe we, instead of number of events, we could call it just events or something like that. And it's a list. And do we want to compare it to the actual? We know it's going to be like 0, 2, 4, 6.
Yeah.
So we could create the list either in the assert or up there. I don't know.
Yeah. Or maybe have it there.
Maybe yeah, exactly. That's fine.
What we have 0, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10.
I guess probably not 10, since we had. Or no, maybe it is 10. It is inclusive, yeah, because it should be six of them.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so let's see.
Cool. Let's run
it will fail.
Yeah, and how do we think it will fail?
Yeah, it will be empty. So
yeah, so it should get all the way down to expect body list, right?
Right. Got to this.
Yeah, nice.
Lovely.
So now we
and now I guess we could do exact just numbers filter, just the number filter part from up there.
I can just copy it.
Yeah.
Yeah, I think that's it.
That's right. Cool. Nice.
Lovely, lovely.